Anyways, we at Alabama truck meet. Got here late, so it's freaking blazing. We're over here kind of by ourselves, got the tent set up. I'm sure you can tell by the title, we brought the BKTs. So I don't know how people are gonna react to this. They might be upset, they might love it. I don't know, but I'm about to put these babies on and I guess go get some reactions. Jacob with the Dirty Max, unloading her. Leave your guess down below what you think he's gonna run today. I just got done swapping the babies out and I'm about to die. You hadn't seen the tractor tires on there before, have you? What do you think?
It looks pretty mean.
It does, doesn't it?
Definitely looks different in person than it does in videos.
Better?
Yeah, like it's a little intimidating.
It is beefy.
You need to get rid of these nipples.
Dude, them are freshies, boy. I just bought them just to come here and flex on everybody. Jokes, guys, jokes. I just hadn't taken them on pavement enough, or I even did a burnout with them on dirt. Just stout.
Shoreline is a great company to work for. We offer
perfect.
guys, well, I'm about to swap the old BKTs back off here while it's semi-cool. Storm looks like it's coming, so I don't want to get caught in the rain doing it, but pretty fun. Huge turnout. Last I heard there was 800 people here, and that was a couple hours ago, so there's no telling who and how many trucks and people are here. It's insane. A lot of crazy yee stuff going on, no doubt. And that's why we're kind of chilling over here, because it's too crazy, too paranoid. But yeah, a lot of racing, super fun event. Definitely, if you haven't, come to Alabama Truck Meet. Super fun. About to swap these back on here. I did a little burnout. I'm sure you already saw that. We did a little burnout. It's hilarious because look, the tire teats are still on there all the way. But this is literally how much the tire was folded up doing the little burnout, rolling burnout, whatever you want to call it. That this is so soft under the weight and the acceleration. This was touching the pavement. They're pretty eat up, but I mean, I bought these tires to have fun. The truck handled it like a freaking champ. Dude, look at that. Boy, we got some rubber on that thing. Wow. Oof. But like I said, I'm gonna swap the wheels and tires around before the storm gets here. So if we need to dip out, we can. Bro. Oh my gosh, the tent's trying to blow away straight at the truck. Wait, shoot! Screw it, dude! Oh no! Oh no! This man doing the most. I'm not doing it. Oh my god! I just swapped the tires back over. Oh, they about to be fogging out there, boy. Oh, they're getting wild over there doing donuts and stuff. Jacob probably should park there. Hang on to it! Jacob! Jacob! Holy! Jacob, you parked your truck in the worst place ever!
Well, I thought the wind was blowing the other way.
Incorrect! Look at me! Gotta go, we gotta hold this thing. Well, we aborted, closed them, we're soaked. Anything to say? Nothing. At least the tents didn't hit the trucks. That's all I was really worried about. We had to abort to start lightning.
Dang, look at that shit. Yes.
Alright guys, I apologize for my naked body, but loaded the truck up, did a little bogging. Hopefully Dylan got a cool video of me doing the donut. It's been a heck of a day. I'm soaking wet. I'm shaking right now because it's freaking freezing. Just got the tires and stuff swapped over. Thank goodness I went ahead and done it before all this rain and storm hit and stuff. Y'all saw it was absolutely insane. Awesome day though. Did a little bit of everything. So definitely very successful. Truck's huge. Truck meet is huge. Often people that couldn't do burnouts on dry pavement now are doing burnouts on wet pavement. So everybody's having a good time. Hopefully no one's doing anything too dumb, but it is a lot of people mudding now. So yeah, only carnage I saw was that 6.0 broke a drive shaft, which that sucks. Absolutely get towed, but I guess it's just risk of racing. So yeah, but they're loading it up. So I guess with all that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. See y'all on the next one. Dude just snapped the drive shaft.
There's just kids out here right now. There's one truck out
Nice
here that's
truck.
a single cab. There's at least 30.
See if he can beat the old Chevy. Oh, 16-1, same thing I ran.